Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. Today we are going to present about our project PLC based door open and closing system. So this is a few member of group 13, Fatin Nur Syahada, Khairul Naim, Lawei Jun, Muhammad Irman, Muhammad Ashraf and me Muhammad Fazil. Okay, for the introduction, what is an automatic door? Automatic door is an electromechanical door that has go through the process of automation. This system is an automated mobile barrier that has been installed at the entrance of a room, building, or spaces to control and restrict access or provided privacy. The automatic door system is very much needed, especially in public places such as hospitals, train stations, shopping malls, and so on. The design of automatic door system also requires only a few inputs, which is start and stop button, open and close limit switch, and infrared sensor. Okay, for the process of the automatic door will be delivered by my friend.
Hi, I will talk about the process of the automatic door. Okay. D is the diagram of the automatic door. The automatic door control system uses PLC as a controller to output digital signal and analog signal to realize door opening and closing operations. When the infrared sensor detects anyone in the closing limit switch, the PLC will send signal to the gear motor. The door will remain open until there is no detection in the closing limit switch by the infrared sensor. The process will be stopped again when the infrared sensor detects anyone in the closing limit switch. Okay. We go through to the flow chart.
So this is the flow chart. We're starting at the start, then initialize all input and output ports, then is motion detected? If no, it will go back and initialize all input and output ports. If yes, motion detected, it will open the door, then is door open fully? If no, it will open the door. If yes, it will stop the door. Then it will use the motion detector again, and if motion is detected, it will stop the door, and if no motion detected, it will stop for a few seconds, then it will close the door. Next, we will enter is motion detected again. If motion is detected, it will go back and open the door fully. If no motion is detected, the door will close completely. Then is door closed completely? If no, it will close the door. If yes, stop. Then the process will repeat.
Hi. Now I will talk about the ladder diagram. And this is the input and output tables. The left side is the operands and the right side is the device. For input device, we have start push button, stop push button, open limit switch, close limit switch, and infrared sensor. And output device, we have opening door motor and closing door motor. So this is the ladder diagram that we designed. So for easier to understand, we simulate it at the CX programmer. And this is it. So we need to start it. So we on the push start button. After we on it, R1 is magnetized. When the infrared sensor detects anybody in the sensing field, it will on. After it on, the opening door motor will start to run. And the door will arrive at the open limit switch. So it will be on. After that, the opening door motor will stop. When the infrared does not detect anybody, it will turn off. After that, timer will start to run for 3 seconds. After it runs 3 seconds, the closing door motor will start to run. After the closing door motor run, open limit switch will be turned off. The door motor will start to run. After the door arrives the closed limit switch, the closed limit switch will be turned on. After that, the closing door motor will stop. And this process will start again when the infrared sensor detects anybody. And this is the explanation. So I just explained it at the CS programmer in run 0, run 1, in run 2, and run 3. And now I will talk about the mnemonic code. So this is the mnemonic code that generates from the CS programmer, and this side is the instruction, and this side is the operand. So for easier to understand, here is the command. So this is the part that I present. Thank you.
How can automatic door make life easier? Okay, so here a few advantages of automatic door. Firstly, it can avoid the spread of the pandemic. Automatic door is important, especially in the healthcare facilities, as it can minimize the transmission of harmful virus, which can be spread truly by touching the door handle. Okay, next, it is a space saver. Um, it is perfect for a building with limited spaces, as the owner can use the optimum spaces available. For example, the sliding door types can be applied as it will disappear into the wall when the owner opens the door. Okay, next, security. Automatic door provide consistently safe access to their property, as the owner can manage to control whether to access or close by using the remote for security whenever required.
As the conclusion, this research applied PLC to automatic door control system. The PLC is used because the PLC has high reliability, simple external wiring, flexible and easy maintenance. Both signals are used for this research, that is analog and digital signal. The digital signal is used to be the sensor for detecting the human body in and out the sensing field by using the infrared sensor and send the signal to PLC. Then the PLC provides the signal to gear motor, that is analog signal. The sensor is sensitive and is not affected by any environmental factor.